Hail pounding down in areas of the Big Country. Buffalo Gap seeing the brunt of the storm earlier this evening. Take a look at this video sent in by a KRBC viewer. Dime-sized hail falling and causing damage. Good evening, I'm David Bacon. Thank you for joining us tonight. Kathleen is away this evening. A family farm is devastated by severe weather this evening. KRBC's Febin Cassahoon takes us to Buffalo Gap for tonight's top story.
The Huggerud family farm sustained wind and hail damage. Now this whole area spreads to about an acre, and it was set to donate about 12 to 15,000 pounds of food later this year. And now farmers tell us that they aren't sure if any of it is salvageable.
Oh my gosh, that garden is...
For lack of better terms, the garden got the hail beat out of it, H-A-I-L.
The Big Country's severe thunderstorms leaving no mercy for Huggerud family farms.
The other farmer called me and said, hey, be praying that this hail misses us. The way the storm was moving southwest and northeast, we thought we were clear.
But that quickly took a turn.
Didn't really think much about it. It was shining, the sun was shining. In about 15 minutes, the sky turned black.
Months of hard work, blood, sweat, and tears gone.
Lasted about 12 minutes.
Taking out more than 30 different types of vegetables.
Everything in the garden, onions, tomatoes, potatoes, corn, squash, Jerusalem artichokes.
The widespread damage now hindering their ability to give food.
Our home delivery market, you know, some of the selection will suffer. Some of the selection to some of the food pantries and social service organizations will suffer. My family's table will suffer.
Casey says for this garden to be replanted, it would take a pretty Herculean effort.
Going and getting seedlings, and we've got a lot of work to do in the next 10 days. We will replant.
Now Josh tells us that he is remaining optimistic, but for right now he says the next thing for him to do is to start cleaning and start all over. In Buffalo Gap, Febin Cassahoon, KRBC, Abilene's local news.
Thank you, Febin. You can get information on how to donate to the farm at bigcountryhomepage.com.